Welcome back to Meditation with Rene. I am Rene. Today we're going to focus on stress relief. As always, go ahead and close your eyes or keep them open if you'd like. Find a comfortable position. I'm doing some work on the studio, so that's why I'm outdoors today. Wherever you are, just relax. Focusing on the breath, taking a deep breath in through the nose and out through the nose. Let's begin. Breathing in. And exhale. Breathing in. And exhale. Breathing in. And exhale. Again, it's always okay if our mind wanders to different thoughts, different things around us. We just want to be aware when our mind wanders and gently bring it back. Bringing our awareness to our breath. We're not trying to control our breathing. We're not trying to slow it down. We just want to be aware of our breathing. Feeling the sensations to the tip of your nose as you inhale and exhale. Good. Bringing our sensations now. Bringing our awareness to the sounds, taking it away from the breathing sensation. Good. What can you hear around you? Can you hear the wind blowing? What can you hear that might be close to you or maybe away from you? Can you hear your breath, the sound of it? Can you hear the birds? Any discomfort that you might feel, don't try to ignore it in your body. If you feel a slight pain in your back or your knees, bring your awareness to that. Investigate it. Witness it. Now bring your awareness back to the sounds. What can you hear? Focus more on the sounds instead of any sensations in the body that might be uncomfortable. Let's bring our awareness to the sounds or the breath. Good. Very good. The more we practice, the more comfortable we will become, the more relaxed the cross-legged position will be. And remember, in any of these meditation sessions, feel free to sit in a normal chair or cross-legged on the floor. It doesn't matter. I'm actually sitting in the back of a golf cart right now. What we want to do in our meditation, just like life, is to be calm and comfortable in any environment, location, situation. We are trying to still ourselves so that we may not react to things or situations, but being mindful and respond to these different things that goes on. This concludes our meditation session for today. Go ahead and open your eyes if they were closed. Go ahead and wiggle your toes. Good job. See you tomorrow.